Hey, long time no see. It's Nick and Steph, and we just got a box in the mail from Hello Hello, and I thought we'd do a little unboxing for you guys because we were kind of excited to get it. I haven't opened it yet. Oh. I want to be careful not to show our address. Oh yeah, and check out the baby bump. We've only got about 3 weeks to go, and we should have a little one here.
She's 6 pounds, 7 ounces right now.
Alright, so take out the first one. I like the wrapping paper.
It's a receiving blanket.
Aww.
Isn't that pretty?
That's really nice.
How pretty that is.
That's really nice.
I know, I love that.
Oh.
You want one?
I'm not gonna be so gentle. I'm gonna open it like an animal.
Oh, look at that.
That is too cute.
Oh.
I'll show it here. Show it to the camera. That is really nice. Look at this one.
Oh, look at the little tutus. Minnie Mouse. That's cute.
She even took the time to wrap every one of these. Holy smokes.
Oh, I like that.
Look how cute that is. What's that say? Perfect?
Oh, here you go, Nick. Oh, this one's got little kitties all over it.
That's a lot of outfits.
It's his mama's girl. Oh, these little sleep sacks. Little bunny on it. Aww. Look at the little feet.
That is too cute. What's the little cats with headphones on them?
Foxes and cats and mice, yeah. Alright, next.
Oh my gosh. Hello, this is like seriously very generous.
Aww.
This is very generous.
Oh, little bunny hat. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at that one.
This one is too cute.
Look how pretty that
I
is.
know, it's so pretty.
I think that's my favorite one so far.
That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's gonna make me cry.
So at the time of making this video, last time Stephanie went to the doctor, which was what, Wednesday?
Thursday.
Thursday? Mm-hmm. The baby is 6 pounds, 7 ounces, and she is 1 centimeter, was it one?
Dilated. Yep.
1 centimeter dilated. So we are probably not too far along from actually having the baby.
Look
Oh
at
my
these.
gosh. So check it out.
No, look at this one with the hippos and the alligators.
That is too cute.
The
Is this the
elephants.
one that we seen her make on one of her videos?
And unicorns.
I remember seeing that one too.
Look at the unicorns. Oh,
These are all really
love
nice.
these. I'm so excited to use them.
I might, you might catch me under one of these at the hospital.
That's- I love the wrapping paper.
Oh yeah, just so you guys can see the wrapping paper.
It's poodles.
It's poodles and rainbows.
Aww.
Oh wow.
Look at the hats and the little
Look at the little
footies.
booties.
Aww. It's too cute. And a blanket.
I think that's the one that she said that she had made for us.
It's gonna make me cry.
That's
How
really, really
soft it
nice.
is, yeah. I really love it all. Sorry.
No, it's very, very nice. I don't even know how to say thank you enough. That's extremely generous, and we both really, really appreciate it.
Yes.
And I'm sure Evie will get a lot of use out of it, and yeah.
No.
Wow, this is so nice.
No.
Well, we won't draw the video out too long, but yeah, I just wanted to make an unboxing, and
Thank you so much for everything.
Yeah. wow.
It's wonderful.
Yeah, it's very nice.
We'll make a video with her and some of it.
Yeah, this right here just blows me away.
Yeah, this is.
But thank you, hello,
Yes,
and
thank you so much.
yeah, we'll have to make a chat room that way we can all kind of get together again. And I know I've been pretty absent with everything going on, but yeah, thank you, and we really, really appreciate it. And we'll absolutely put it to good use.
Yes,
So
we will.
we really appreciate it. And
Thank
we
you
will
so much.
hopefully we'll talk to you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.